we have to write.
So now, बेटा मैंने रोज एक बात नहीं कहूँगी आपको, जिसने लिखना हुआ मैं कह दूँगी. Don't ask the same.
Ma'am, we have to write.
Now be attentive. Today we will start a new topic. Sorry, not a new topic. Continuing from the previous topic, food from the sea. Yesterday we learned about two of methods. The first one was long nets and fish traps. Do you remember? Fish traps and long nets. We saw pictures, right? So there are two more methods to catch the fish. The first one is trawler and the second one is fish farming. Okay, so there are 4 ways to catch the fish. First one is fish traps, second one is long nets, and third is trawler, and last one is fish farming. Today we will learn about trawler. What is trawler? What is this word? Trawler. Okay, starting, a trawler goes to sea for days and weeks. Okay. In case of long nets and fish traps, Abira, use tissue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta nahi likhna. Okay, so what does trawler do? The fish traps and long nets, when we threw them into the water, the fish get caught in a day. Okay, but trawler goes to sea for days and weeks. ट्रॉलर हम बहुत से दिनों के लिए और कभी-कभी हफ्तों के लिए हम दरिया में भेज देते हैं. Okay, it drags. What is trawler? A trawler is attached with a boat or ship. Okay, so whenever the boat floats over the surface of the water, it drags a net like a huge bag through the water until it is full of fish. Okay, so trawler, what is trawler? Trawler is basically a net bag. Okay, it catches the fish, and when the bag is full of fish, then the trawler get back to shore. Okay, get back to port. Okay, we have learned about the port. Can anyone tell me what is port? I told you.
Ports play a very important role in transporting goods.
Very good, Sila. Very good. Rest of the class. Anyone else? Very good, Sila. Anyone else who can tell me about port?
What?
What is port? We did it in the class. What is port? Like always, only Sila respond to me. Okay, so the fish are frozen to keep them fresh until trawler get back to port. Port is the place where the ship carrying cargoes are stopped. Okay, वो जगह जहाँ पे जो ऐसी कश्तियाँ होती हैं जिनमें सामान होता है दूसरी कंट्री से, वो वहाँ पे आके रुक जाती हैं. उस प्लेस को पोर्ट है जहाँ पे कश्तियाँ आके रुकती हैं.
Big ferries have boxes of like dragon fruit and different fruits.
Yes, and they stop there. Okay, so it's a place near the sea, port. Okay, so now the trawler goes into the sea for days and weeks. So how the fish remain fresh? Because in the ships or boats, there are freezers, there are ice cubes which are used to keep the fish frozen so that the fish is fresh whenever the trawler get back to the place. Okay, ट्रॉलर के अंदर या फ्रिज होता है या आइस क्यूब्स बर्फ से बना के एक वो बॉक्स सा रख देते हैं, उसके अंदर फिश को स्टोर करते हैं ताकि जब काफी दिनों बाद ट्रॉलर वापस आए तो फिश सारी फ्रेश हो, खराब ना हो जाए. ओके, सो दिस इज ट्रॉलर. दिस इज अ वे टू कैच द फिश. ओके, then I will show you the pictures. Okay, don't worry. The next and last one is fish farming. What is farming? Have you ever heard this word farming?
No. Keeping a fish? No, I didn't. Palna.
Yes, farming means palna. Like we farm animals like dogs, hen, chicken.
Keeping a fish in your fish tank.
Yes. Yes, Sila, it's right. Okay, so farming is not only of fish, it is of chicken, hen, okay, मुर्गियों की farming, and crops, okay, animals, crops, जो हम फसलें उगाते हैं, it's all included in farming. So what is farming now? Is it clear? What is farming? Farming is growing crops or keeping animals by people for food. Okay, growing crops or keeping animals for food, for people, for other uses is called farming. ठीक है, जिसमें हम animals या plants को अपने खाने के लिए हम उसको उगाते हैं, उसकी care करते हैं, उस process को क्या कहते हैं? Farming. Okay, now it's about fish farming. Fishing the oceans and seas can be difficult and dangerous because in fish farming we build a cage, okay, in the sea, and then we catch some of the fish, okay, we trap them, and in that cage, in that pond, the fish start to grow in number. ओके हम क्या करते हैं, हम समंदर में, ठीक है, या दरिया में हम एक केज सा बना लेते हैं, एक पिंजरा सा बना लेते हैं, उसके अंदर हम फिश को स्टोर कर देते हैं, फिर उसके बाद फिश अंडे देती है, फिश अपनी अमाउंट में, अपनी तादाद में ग्रो करती रहती है, फिर एक फिश से बहुत सी फिश बन जाती हैं. ओके, so this is called fish farming. Like we keep animals, right? We keep chicken, we keep dogs, we keep rabbits. Okay, we grow crops like wheat, like fruits, like vegetables. Okay, we grow them. This is called farming. Why we grow them? Because we want to eat them. ठीक है, to keep us alive. We keep animals. This is called farming, and fish farming is related to keeping fish. Okay. So now let's see some pictures of it. Okay, how people do fish farming and what is trawler. Let's see some pictures.
Or a cat will eat a fish. Cats like fish. Now where is ma'am?
I'm here. Don't worry. I'm just showing you a picture. Wait.
That's why it was. I was thinking where's ma'am because it was too quiet.
Okay. So now class, I'm sharing the picture. Can you see the picture now, everyone?
Yes.
Look at this. This is a boat, okay? And these two are trawlers. You can see the net bag is full of fish, right? Can you see?
Too much.
Can you see, everyone? So this is a fish, and this is called what? This is called trawler. This is called trawler. These two are trawlers. What is trawler? Trawler is a net bag. It is used to catch fish. You can see that these two bags are full of fish. Okay? Like this. You can see this one. This bag is also full of fish. And it's attached to a boat. And it's called trawler. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now I will show you fish farming. How people do fish farming. You can see this one. Look at this. These are the cages. These are the ponds. Now fish are kept there. In these. Like this. Look at this. In this way, fish grow into numbers, and the people then catch them and eat them. Okay? This is called fish farming. This is also fish farming. Okay? The fish are stored in a tank, in a pond, in a cage. Okay?
I would eat from a tank because I like to swim.
Like this, you can see these are built in the sea. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and there are a lot of fish in it. Okay, people store them. Is it clear now?
5.
Good morning,
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. We store them.
Yes. Now, tell me, is there any question?
No, ma'am. No.
Now, who can summarize the lecture? Who can tell me what you did learn today?
Me. I learned about.
Okay, Sila, tell me first, starting from Sila.
We learned about farming fish and trawling fish.
Okay.
We catch fish.